Welcome back to Cruiser Motorcycles. Thank you for waiting for this video. Today, we have top 10 best classic modern motorcycles for 2025. Here's a detailed breakdown of each motorcycle's key specifications, including MSRP, engine, power, torque, transmission, seat height, weight, fuel capacity, and notable features. One. Moto Guzzi V9 Bobber SE. MSRP $10,990. Engine 850 cubic centimeters V-twin. Power 55 horsepower. Torque 62 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 30.7 inches 780 millimeters. Weight 453 pounds 205 kilograms. Fuel capacity 4.8 liters. Features: traction control, modern electronics, distinctive bobber design, upgraded suspension. Two. Yamaha XSR 900. MSRP $9,999. Engine 889 cubic centimeters inline 3. Power 118 horsepower. Torque 64 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 32.3 inches 820 millimeters. Weight 425 pounds 193 kilograms. Fuel capacity 14 liters. Features: traction control, quick shifter, advanced electronics, retro modern design. Three. Suzuki GSX K8S. MSRP $8,999. Engine 805 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 82 horsepower. Torque 57 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.9 inches 810 millimeters. Weight 445 pounds 202 kilograms. Fuel capacity 14 liters. Features: traction control, TFT display, fully adjustable suspension, lightweight design. Four. Ducati Scrambler Icon. MSRP $9,495. Engine 803 cubic centimeters L-twin. Power 73 horsepower. Torque 49 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.9 inches 810 millimeters. Weight 410 pounds 186 kilograms. Fuel capacity 13.5 liters. Features: customization options, excellent handling, ABS, iconic Scrambler styling. Five. Moto Guzzi V7 Special 850. MSRP $8,990. Engine 850 cubic centimeters transverse V-twin. Power 65 horsepower. Torque 59 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.1 inches 790 millimeters. Weight 483 pounds 219 kilograms. Fuel capacity 21 liters. Features: retro styling, traction control, ABS, modern safety features. Six. Kawasaki W800. MSRP $9,199. Engine 773 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 47 horsepower. Torque 48 pound-foot. Transmission 5-speed. Seat height 31.1 inches 790 millimeters. Weight 497 pounds 225 kilograms. Fuel capacity 15 liters. Features: classic retro design, modern performance, comfortable ride. Seven. Benelli Leoncino. MSRP $8,499. Engine 500 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 47 horsepower. Torque 31 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.9 inches 810 millimeters. Weight 403 pounds and 183 kilograms. Fuel capacity 15 liters. Features: aggressive retro design, LED lighting, comfortable suspension, customizable options. Eight. Moto Guzzi V7 Stone. MSRP $8,690. Engine 750 cubic centimeters V-twin. Power 52 horsepower. Torque 44 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.1 inches 790 millimeters. Weight 474 pounds 215 kilograms. Fuel capacity 21 liters. Features: minimalist design, ABS, traction control, modern tech and comfort. Nine. Yamaha MT-09. MSRP $9,499. Engine 890 cubic centimeters inline 3. Power 117 horsepower. Torque 69 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 32.7 inches 830 millimeters. Weight 425 pounds 193 kilograms. Fuel capacity 14 liters. Features: traction control, quick shifter, advanced electronics, aggressive styling. Ten. Triumph Tiger 900 Rally. MSRP $14,000. Engine 900 cubic centimeters triple. Power 94 horsepower. Torque 64 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 33.1 inches 840 millimeters. Weight 493 pounds 224 kilograms. Fuel capacity 20 liters. Features: off-road capabilities, cornering ABS, cruise control, long travel suspension, advanced electronics.